Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you fix fingerprint is not showing, fingerprint is missing. So to solve it, there are some solution for it. The first one is you need to just restart your phone. Just long press on your power button and just reboot it. Now the step 2 is if your phone has any software update, just update it. So for that, go to settings and just click on about phone. Click on your mobile version. Now in the bottom here you can see download update. After downloading the update, your problem will be solved. Now the third solution is to reset the fingerprint. So for that, go to your security, here password and security, and just click on your fingerprint unlock. And after that you will find the option give fingerprint or add fingerprint. Just click on there, and after clicking it, just add your fingerprint here. Now after that, if it is not working again, all you need to do is just reset your device. So just go to your additional settings if you are a MIUI user, and in the bottom here you can see factory reset. Just click on it and click the bottom erase all data and just reset your phone. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.